Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kukunin ang isang derivative ng function gamit ang chain rule. So, narito ang aking unang halimbawa. So, babasahin muna natin yung condition. Use the chain rule to find derivative of the function y and express the final answer in terms of x. So, babalikan natin yung condition na yan pagkatapos natin solve yung derivative gamit ang chain rule. So, konting kaalaman, ang chain rule ay tinatawag din na composite function rule kasi yung idea niya ay kinuha lang kung paano i-solve ang composition of function. So, yung isang independent variable ng isang function ay i-substitute lang natin sa ibang function. So, halimbawa dito, paano natin i-solve ang derivative of the function y gamit ang chain rule. Then, express natin yung final answer in terms of x. So, kung susundin natin yung format ng chain rule, nakasaad dyan dy over dx or derivative of the function y is equal to derivative of the function y in terms of u, dy over du, then times derivative of the function u, the second function. So, make sure that y and u are differentiable function with each other. So, magiging in terms of x. So, ang una, kukunin mo yung derivative ng function y in terms of u, and then ang pangalawa, i-multiply mo yan sa derivative ng second function in terms of x. So, yan kung gagamitin natin yung chain rule. So, ito yung tinatawag na chain rule, or again, tinatawag din ito sa ibang aklat na composite function rule. So, chain rule ang tawag dito, or composite function rule. So, gamit ang composition na ito, or yung format ng chain rule, mangyayari dyan, kung kukunin natin ang derivative dito sa given functions, ang magiging hitsura dyan ay, replace muna natin yung value ng y, function y. So, mangyayari derivative of the function y, which is equal to u squared plus u. Then, multiply natin yan. So, this dot here represent product or multiplication sign. Then, times the derivative of the function u, which is equal to 2x plus 1. Again, yung una, kukunan natin yung derivative ng unang function, which is y in terms of u, at yung pangalawa, function u, kukunan natin ng derivative yan in terms of x, kasi nakasaad siya in terms of x. Then, simplify natin yan, kukunin natin yung derivative ng bawat function. So, derivative of the function u squared plus u in terms of u, ang magiging derivative dyan, derivative of u squared in terms of u, magiging 2u. Then, derivative of the function, the variable u in terms of u, magiging 1. Kaya 2u plus 1 ang derivative ng u squared plus u in terms of u. Then, times derivative of the function 2x plus 1. So, derivative of 2x in terms of x, magiging 1. Then, derivative of the variable or the constant 1 in terms of x, 0. Kasi yung derivative ng kahit anong constant ay 0 talaga. Kaya ang magiging derivative ng 2x plus 1 in terms of x ay 1 lang. So, pagpatuloy natin. So, dy over dx, simplify lang natin yan. 2u plus 1, this one. Sorry for this. This is not 1. Derivative of 2x plus 1 ay 2. Sorry for that. So, nagkamali ako. So, the derivative of 2x in terms of x, magiging 2. Derivative the constant 1, 0. So, 2 plus 0, 2 lang. Okay? So, ang matitira ay 2. So, ngayon, ipag-multiply natin since yan yung nakasaad sa format ng chain rule. So, 2u plus 1 times 2. So, magiging 4u. 2 times 2u, magiging 4u. And 2 times 1, magiging 2. Yan. So, since kung matatandaan natin, babalikan natin yung given condition, we have to express the final answer in terms of x. So, para ma-express natin to in terms of x, babalikan natin yung given expression or yung given function, which is u is equal to 2x plus 1. So, kung gagamitin natin yung value ni u, function u na which is equal to 2x plus 1, so, i-substitute lang natin yung 2x plus 1 dito sa final answer natin para ma-express natin to in terms of x. So, sasabihin natin dy over dx is equals to 4. We have to replace the value of u, which is 2x plus 1. So, sa value ng function na 2x plus 1, so, mangyayari, papalitan or substitute u with 2x plus 1. So, 2x plus 1 plus 2. So, saan galing yung 2x plus 1? Again, yun yung value ng u natin, function u. sa umpisa pa lang, yung given function. Then, simplify natin yan further. So, dy over dx, so the derivative of the function y, in terms of x, so 4 times 2x, magiging 8x. 4 times 1, magiging 4, then plus 2. So, pwede natin ipag-combine yung 4 at saka 2, magiging dy over dx is equals to 8x, then 4 plus 2, magiging 6. So, since hindi na to ma-simplify into lowest term or ma-reduce into lowest term, so ito na yung final answer natin na nakasaad in terms of x, satisfying the given condition based on the instruction. So, yung derivative of the function y is equal to 8x plus 6, given that the two differentiable functions are y equal to u squared plus u and u is equal to 2x plus 1. So, yung sagot ay derivative of y is equal to 8x plus 6. So, yan yung sa unang halimbawa. So, dadako na tayo sa pangalawang halimbawa. So, meron tayong ditong function. So, magkatulad pa rin yung given condition na hahanapin natin yung derivative ng function in terms of x gamit ang chain rule. So, susulat natin muli yung format ng chain rule. So, dy over dx ay magiging dy or derivative of the function y in terms of u times derivative of the function u in terms of x. So, yan lang. Kapag ganito yung hitsura ng mga function na ibinigay, yung y naka-express in terms of u at saka yung u naka-express in terms of x. Pero pag ibang variable ang ginamit, so papalitan mo lang yung denominator or yung saan in terms, anong variable ang ginamit dito. Papalitan mo lang yung u dito at saka yung x kung magkaibang variable ang ginamit. Considering that y or the two functions given are differentiable with each other. So, yan. So, kung matatanda natin, papalitan muna natin yung y or function y ng value niya. So, derivative of function y which is equal to the square root of u squared minus 1. Then, times derivative of the function u which is equal to 4 times the quantity of square root of, square root of x. This is square root of x. So, in terms of x. So, ngayon, paano to i-simplify? Paano natin kukunin yung derivative of square root of u squared minus 1? So, gagamitan natin yan ng isa sa mga rule ng differentiation. So, ang rule na ma-apply natin dyan ay yung isa sa mga rule for differentiation na kung may radical symbol. So, ang rule dyan ay ganito. Pag may function tayo na naka-enclose na ay ibig sabihin mayroong radical symbol ang function. So, ang derivative niyan ay ganito. Du over dx all over 2 square root of u. So, ibig sabihin, sa function natin dito, ang u dyan ay, yung u natin dyan ay equal to u squared minus 1. So, itong value na u squared minus 1 ang ipapalit natin or substitute natin sa u dito. So, ibig sabihin d over dx, du, since gumagamit tayo ng variable u. So, u natin ay magiging, papalitan lang natin yan ng u squared minus 1. So, mangyayari, u squared minus 1. Then, all over, so dapat nandito yung equal sign. Okay? All over 2 square root of u. So, kopya mo lang yung 2, saka yung symbol na square root, saka yung u. Ibabalik mo yung u, pero yung u natin dito value ay u squared minus 2. So, ang gagamitin natin dyan ay u squared minus, minus 1. U squared minus 1. Itong value ng u. And then, since ito na yung hitsura, so, i-simplify natin to further, maya-maya lang. So, dadako tayo sa derivative ng pangalawang function na yung value ng u. So, d over dx. So, isusulat natin siyan sa ibabaw para may d over dx. Since ang function natin ay in terms of x. So, yung u naman natin dito sa pangalawa ay equal to x lang. So, ang ihahalili natin dyan ay yung variable x. Pero kung makikita ninyo dito, mayroon tayong constant 4. So, isusulat muna natin yung 4 bago yung notation for derivative. So, derivative of the x in terms of x, then all over 2 square root of x. So yan lang. Since yung u natin dyan ay u ay equal to x. So kaya naging 2 square root of x. So pagkatapos ay simplify natin yan. So yan. Derivative of the function u squared minus 1, ang mangyayari dyan ay maging 2u all over 2 square root of u squared minus 1 times, sa kabila, 4 times the derivative of x. So magiging 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 kasi yung derivative of x is 1. Then tsaka 2 square root of x. Kung makikita ninyo dito sa magkabilang side, may common between numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. So pwede natin cancel out ang 2 dito. At saka yung pwede natin i-divide yung 4 by 2. So magtitira dito ay 2 na lang. So simplifying further, magiging 2 times u, magiging 2u all over square root of x times square root of u squared minus 1, since hindi sila magkatulad ng base. So ibig sabihin, or yung radicand ay hindi sila pwedeng ipag-combine. So mangyayari dyan square root of x times the quantity of square root of u squared minus 1. Pero hindi pa to ang final answer. Hindi pa to yung hinahanap ng given condition. So kung matatandaan niyo ang given condition, sinabi na express the final answer in terms of x. So ibig sabihin, papalitan yun lang natin yung u ng value ng function which is equal to 4 square root of x. So gagamitin natin yung value ni u na 4 square root of x. So yan yung ipalit natin dito. So mangyayari dyan, dy over dx is equal to yung u. So 2 times 4 square root of x, since yan yung value ng u natin. 4 square root of x, sorry for this. 4 square root of x. So substitute u with its value, which is 4 square root of x. Then kopya lang natin yung square root of x, then times the square root of, since may u that tayo dito sa denominator, papalitan din natin yun ng 4 square root of x, then square, then minus 1. So yan lang. So simplifying further, so lilipat ko lang dito sa kabila, is equal to dy over dx. So 2 times 4 square root of x, magiging 8 square root of x all over square root of x times square root of 4, the quantity of 4 square root of x squared. So matitira dyan ay 16. So 4 squared, that is 16. Then square root of x squared, that is x. Then minus 1. So simplifying further, dy over dx is equals to, kung notice na may magkatulad tayo na term sa numerator at sa denominator. So pwede natin i-cancel out yung square root of x, square root of x. So ang matitira na lang ay 8 all over square root of 16x minus 1. So since hindi na ito ma-simplify into lowest term, so hindi na ito ma-simplify further, so ibig sabihin ito na yung final answer natin, satisfying the given condition that the final answer should be expressed in terms of x. So yan, naka-express na siya in terms of x. So ibig sabihin ang sagot natin or ang derivative ng given function ay equal to 8 over square root of 16x minus 1 using the chain rule. So yan yun, 8 over square root of 16x minus 1. So yan yung dalawang halimbawa natin sa video ito. Sana may natutunan kayo. Yan lang lahat guys. Salamat sa panonood at saka huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa susunod ko pang mga videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at God bless everyone.